New ID8 Snapdragon665 12.3inch 8Core Carplay for BMW 5Series F10 F11 car video players. Central Multimedia Android Navi screen. 1. Is the Android Auto Apple CarPlay wireless, or do you need to connect it via cable? CarPlay is wireless, Auto is wired, and the product itself is also an Android system. It supports downloading and installing app. 2. Screen. Is it touch? Yes, finger touch is supported. 3. Is this compatible with BMW F10 2012? The product supports BMW 5Series F07 F10 F11 F18 from 09 to 17 years. 4. Are there all languages? Yes, at present, it basically supports 90% of the world's languages. 5. Keeps the original car controls, steering wheel and scroll. Yes, the product completely retains the function of the original car. The new system will not affect the original system. 6. The CarPlay model is integrate with the screen. Yes, the product itself contains the function of CarPlay, and no other equipment is. 7. Is there Bluetooth built into this system to listen to music? Yes, the product has built-in Bluetooth. Support Bluetooth music, Bluetooth phone, address book reading, recent calls and favorite calls. 8. Is it compatible with right-hand drive car? Yes, whether it's left-handed driving or right-handed driving, the product can be supported. Explain to the seller before buying. 9. Are there installation instructions and instructions in the package? Yes, there is an installation instruction in the package. 10. Can I install the software myself, like YouTube or some apps? Yes, the product can download and install app online.